friends, hey family. Can you believe that Papa is going to give us his pork loin rib recipe? These are actually an oven baked version. These aren't his smoked ones for those of you who've had them, but he is using here, he's rubbing down the ribs. It's a dry rub with onion powder, garlic powder, seasonal, and paprika. So he's going to rub down both sides here, and he told me he's going to put them in the oven, so he says, for 6 hours on 260. And I wasn't witness to that, but I believe him to be telling the truth there. So, and there he is. He just makes it look so easy. He's so great in the kitchen. My mother is a great cook, but my mother will agree this man can outcook any man or woman that I know of. He's amazing. And there you go. And what he's going to do is he's going to wrap these up in that tin foil, and he's going to take the cookie sheet, and they're on a cookie sheet, and he's actually going to place that in the oven. And there he goes, wrapping it up on both ends. Like a Christmas present. Actually, he's done that before. And there you go. He is got them out after 6 hours, and he is actually putting on basting them with barbecue sauce. And as you've seen the barbecue sauce in the beginning, that's what we've been using. He used Sweet Baby Ray's for years and years, which is great, you guys. But we found this new barbecue sauce that he and I are just in love with. We do chicken with it, but unfortunately, I can't have these ribs. I'm allergic to pork and beef, but I listen to everybody go on and on about them, and watch this. There you go. Look, amazing. They just come off the ribs. It's, yeah, yum. I wished I could have them. So we made these for our grandson. He loved them, cleaned the bone, and had to take some home with him. Hope you enjoyed, guys.